Want to give your Word documents that extra flair with a custom page border? It's easier than you think, and I'll show you how to add a custom or pre-created border right into your document. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to double-click at the very top of your document. This opens up the header and footer menu. Once you're there, look for the picture icon and click it to insert your desired border image. Navigate to the folder where your border file is saved, then simply double-click to insert it into your document. Now this is a crucial step for easy positioning. Click on the text wrapping button and choose Behind Text. This sends your border image behind your document's content, making it much easier to move and scale. Go ahead and scale the border to fit your page perfectly. When you're happy with the placement, just double-click back into the main document area or go to the header and footer menu again to close it down. To make sure your new border looks just right, head over to the File menu and click Print. This gives you a quick preview. And there you have it, a perfectly aligned, fancy page border for your Word document. Give it a try and make your document stand out.